going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I apologize for not posting as much lately, but I am in the process of moving. In my downtime, I have been collecting a bunch of RC cars to unbox and review on the channel. Those will be coming in the next couple weeks or so. But today we are going to be unboxing this giant box here. I picked it up yesterday. It is actually a RCP Mini96 Mini Z track. Comes in this giant box, probably weighs about 35 pounds. And we're going to take it apart, see what comes in it, and try and set it up for you guys.
Alright, so this box is absolutely enormous. And I bought this used off of a local guy. He gave me a pretty good deal. It comes with a couple Mini Zs. And we're going to see what we actually get in here. Obviously, a giant thing of tubes here. We got our first pad and a million of these bumpers. We got our RCP Tracks logo on there. Alright, now we got some of the turning bumpers here. Alright, that's it. No instructions. We will take this as we can go here. Alright, so for my own sanity, I'm not going to put this together the completely full way here, but just to give you guys an example of how this works. So these little plugs go in there, and then this will actually slide in underneath the track, and then this screw will screw in all the way like so. And that will keep everything nice and snug on there. These aren't coming off in case you kick it or something. But for the sake of time and not wanting to die, I'm just going to put these in like so. You can still do it like that and it won't go anywhere. Just it'll come off like that. We're gonna go around the whole track and do it like that. Alright, so since there were no instructions in the box, we are just going to take a look at it on my phone. And that's what the track will look like when it's done. Now I think you can kind of do it however you want. We're going to try and follow this, and we'll see how long it takes. Alright, so we're running into a little bit of a dilemma here that I'm quickly figuring out. See how there's this little gap here? So what you need to do is make sure that the holes line up appropriately. So this is going to be an inside turn here around this corner. So once you get this in the right way, there's no holes. See how that works there? So just something to note. I'm guessing the instructions would kind of show me that, but we don't have those, so we're just going to wing it. Last piece. Wow. This takes up an entire 2-car garage. Alright, I won't make you guys sit through another time lapse. We will put the bumpers on by the powers of YouTube. And there it is, completely finished. All we gotta do is put in all these little plugs all the way around, and this thing will be good. Okay guys, so that took about an hour to finish, and I had a couple phone breaks and whatnot. I obviously didn't put in all of the plugs here, so I would say this takes you about a solid hour to put together fully. We're gonna run some Mini Zs on it, and I'll give you my impressions. And just for anyone wondering, we'll get some dimensions here for you. Even though it says it on the box, just so you really know how big this thing is. We are at about 12 feet long. By 8 feet wide. So 12 by 8, which is pretty big for a track. It's just the bumpers take up a lot of room. Alright, so the first car we're going to be running here is the Nissan R32. Let's see how it goes. This thing has drift tires on it. Doesn't really make the turns very well, but it came with the track, so we'll give it a bid. I'm making a mess of the track. Got a little skid there. Alright guys, next we have the Mini Z Buggy here. We're going to try this one out. It's a little bit bigger. I will give people credit that zipper on this track. You really got to take it slow. Now we're getting the hang of it. Ah. Oh well. Alright, so if you guys have any questions about this track or any of the cars that I was using, leave a comment down below. Like I said, I'm going to have a lot of videos coming up soon. I'm just in the process of moving, so bear with me and stay tuned.